Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you to the audience who have taken the time on this occasion to present the result of our discussion together. Before that, I will introduce our members consisting of I am Siti Salwazar Iqmal as moderator in presentation today. Suci Suryaningsi, Wafa Nurul Aziza, Sabrina Putri Jayanti, dan Suci Nur Syahbani. To save time, just to draft it to the presenter one, I invite you, Suci Suryaningsi. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the time given to me. Electronegative. Electronegative is measure of the tendency or ability of an atom to gain or attract electron from other atoms. Electronegative is measured using the following scale, whose value range from 0.7 to 4. Electronegative is one of the properties that can be used to distinguish nonpolar covalent bonds from polar covalent bonds. Elements with high electronegative have a greater tendency to attract electrons than elements with lower electronegative. An American chemist, Linus Pauling, has devised a method for calculating the relative electronegative of almost all elements. In general, in a group from to bottom, the electronegative value tends to decrease with increasing atomic number, while in a product from left to right, the electronegative value increases. The most electronegative elements are the halogens, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. These elements are in the upper right corner of the product table. Meanwhile, the elements with the lowest electronegative, alkali metals and alkaline earth metals, are located in the lower left corner. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the moderator one. To the next presenter, Suci Nur Syahbani. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you. Electronegativity, one of the most important concepts in chemical bonding is electronegativity. Electronegativity is the ability of atom in a molecule to attract shared electron to themselves. The greater the electronegativity of an atom, the greater its ability to attract electron to itself. Electronegativity is one of the predictable trends. The most common way to measure electronegativity is to use the Pauling scale. Linus Pauling was an American scientist who won the Nobel Prize of Chemistry and Peace. Electronegativity is the tendency of an atom to attract electrons so that it has a tendency to have a negative or partial negative charge. The electronegativity value of an atom is determined by various scales with certain formulas, and the scale that is often used is the Pauling scale, which states that the electronegativity value of is 4.0 as the highest electronegativity and 0.7 for as the lowest electronegativity. The value will increase from the left to right and from bottom to top. In addition to the scale proposed by Pauling, there are other scales concerning electronegativity. The following is the electronegativity scale and its determination. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. To the next presentation. Sabrina Putri Jayanti, then is yours.
Okay, thank you for moderator to giving me opportunity. So you can see the slide to Pauling's electronegativity and the symbol XP. Okay, the scale is measured based on the difference in the covalent bond breaking energy of the element with the electron point scale. For reference, a scale of 2.20 is assigned to element H, and other element are determined based on the reference. Suppose an element H want to know the value of electronegativity on the Pauling scale. Then the value can be determined by the equation. Okay, you can see the equation formula in this slide, and let me do in bahasa. The first, selisih nilai keelektronegatifan X terhadap H sama dengan akar energi ikatan X kurang H kurang X yang dikurang energi ikatan H kurang H ditambah energi ikatan X kurang X per 2. Thank you. Back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you for presentation to the presenter Sabrina Putri Jayanti. The next presentation, Wafa Nurul Aziza, time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. I will explain about Mulliken electronegativity. The scale is determined based on the ionization energy and electron affinity present in the element, also in the unit of electron volt. The calculation of the Mulliken electronegativity scale can use the equation is electronegativity value equals ionization energy plus electron affinity part 2. Thank you. I return to moderator.
Thank you. The last presentation, I will read. This scale is determined based on the value, the value Z, effective curvature, and of the element. Determination of the electronegativity value can use the equation. Although are three electronegativity scales, the three scales produce the same pattern for every element in the periodic table. The electronegativity value of the atom has the same tendency as the ionization energy value. You can see a formula in this slide. Now I will read to the bahasa. X nilai keelektronegatifan per X sama dengan 35.990. Z keelektronegatifan per nilai keelektronegatifan X ditambah 0,4744. Okay, thank you for watching this presentation. Is presentation half fulfill in the shuffle. We thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.